So, guess what, guys? Iodine did not precipitate out using hydrogen peroxide. Now, I went so angry, I put them into freezer and nothing happened. Then I just dumped all my nitric acid in this one. And that gave me iodine precipitation, and it's an exothermic reaction, so, well, some of it just sublimed off. But, well, it was not worth it for my nitric acid, because nitric acid is more valuable to me than iodine. So, well, still I got iodine, but I made another batch testing out that why it didn't happen, and I don't know why still it did not. But this time I use potassium permanganate solution. Just ignore the label. Potassium permanganate solution, and that worked just fine. A small sample. You can see some iodine at the bottom. So it is really fine, but still would work. So from the test tube, I earlier extracted this much iodine. Well, now I'm gonna extract these. Well, I'll come back when I've set up my setup. So this is my setup. Okay, a round bottom flask with a cork, and the cork is attached to a funnel, a filter funnel, and then this hosing is attached to this aspirator. Now I don't have a vacuum machine or whatever you call it, because you can't get it in here. So what happens is air goes in there, passes to there, and this creates a vacuum over here. Then this just sucks out air from this through this pipe to this. Simple. So we're just gonna vacuum filter it. Well, basically vacuum filter it, and then I'm gonna be back when it's done. So as you can see, I'm just washing the iodine, and there's the iodine, and there's the decanted liquid with some iodine. Yes, there is gonna be some loss. Well, I got all my iodine in the funnel, and there's the decanted liquid, and there is a huge loss. I'll try to recover some from it, but, well, I'm still disappointed it didn't work out at the first place, and I lost a heck lot of nitric acid. Well, tomorrow's video is gonna be about nitric acid then. Okay, bye. Well, not bye actually. We're gonna be done with this experiment. Fuck. Okay, sorry. Well, one lesson is that never blow through this end and block this end. Everything flies off and gets in your eyes, and this bloody iodine burns like bloody fucking hell. Believe me, just don't. Jesus. Okay. Now here is our iodine. That's, wait, focus. So it is pretty impure. You can wash it more times to get the soluble impurities out, and there's some cotton. Okay, so actually with this method, using the nitric acid and the permanganate, we got a really nice yield actually. Using the peroxide and the other stuff does not give you much of an yield. But on the bright side, the filtrate is trying to crystallize out. As you can see, the shiny crystals are, wow, they are beautiful. Focus. Come on. Are serious? Okay, so it's not gonna focus. So now more iodine is trying to crystallize out, which means more product. Well, good. So here I have more. We're gonna dry it off on this bloody thing, and then we're gonna weigh the end amount. We'll try to extract from this too. Okay. Now here we have more of the solids, and wow, just cool. Okay, so now it's still wet, so what we're gonna do, actually what I like to do is, why doesn't it focus? Okay, so what I like to do is just break them up into smaller pieces. Oh shit. Okay, so and then take a paper towel and transfer them onto this dry paper towel, and then like sponge them out, like doing this. Yep. So then you have a pretty dry iodine. Okay, I'm gonna check in when I'm done. Now we have our iodine, and so now we're gonna measure it, and I did not extract from this, so I'm gonna do it in the morning. And I see a lot precipitated out, about maybe a gram or something. Okay, so here's my scale. Let's just tear it. Just the wind. Okay. It does not matter now, because the fan's running and now I'm measuring it. So there we go. We got about 7.20 grams. Actually, that's a god damn it. Wait. Now we have 7.25, I would say, our iodine. So it still contains some water, and our yield should be 2 grams if we would have used 5 grams of potassium iodide. In this case, I used 10 because of first run and the second run. So 7.225. Wow. Theoretically I should get around 5 grams, but looking at this, 7 grams. Okay, let's say I got 6 grams. Okay, maybe 5 grams is perfect. 5 grams dry sample. Okay, I would say 2 grams is water, and we have more in here. So, well, it's wow. Well, that's it for today, but not all. We will recrystallize this. We will recrystallize this, some of this iodine, to pure iodine using what's it called, a sublimation. So we're just gonna take this beaker and this bloody round bottom, and there we are. That's it. So what we're gonna do is, god damn it, we're gonna take successfully transferred our iodine here. I'm gonna turn on the power. Wait, there we go. And we have around 2 grams in here. So what we're gonna do is using the sublimation, but it does not actually sublimes. What happens is it melts and I would say boils, evaporates, I guess that would be the nice term. So I'll show you why, because in school we have learned that iodine sublimes, it does not have a liquid phase. So I'm gonna turn on the power and we're gonna wait. Meanwhile, we're just gonna transfer this to our vial. Now as you can see, it's starting to vaporize, and I'm gonna check in when it's okay. First we're gonna let the vapors out. As you can see, purple, really nice purple vapors. Okay, put it back on. And yeah, don't touch iodine directly, as it stains everything. Oh my god. Okay, so we're still transferring the iodine. Okay, so as you can see, nice crystals are forming, and now at this bottom, wait, let me rotate it. Okay, Jesus. Okay, so you can see, wait, let me point it. See there, we have, what? We are leaking. My god. Okay, so basically we have a crack. Okay, so there you can see molten iodine. Molten iodine is right here, see? So at elevated temperatures it just sublimes, and at the same time it basically what can I say, melts. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna check in when it's all done. Stopping this wait, what? Okay, I'm stopping this thing because it's leaking really bad. I think I have a crack on my beaker, and I really can see some molten iodine. Wait. Oh shoot. That's always cool. Purple vapors. Okay, my eyes are burning because of its vapors, and I'm sleepy. I should end this video today. I mean now. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, I guess. Okay, what we're gonna do, just to satisfy. Okay, so really want to do this. Boom. Always nice. And there's some crystal deposited on it. Oh, whoa, 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 okay. I'm seeing crystals all in the air. Okay, so that's it. Hope you enjoyed.